P07 is an error that indicates the CANON printer waste part is full. Let we reset it together. Hello, I am Aliu Ahmed. Welcome to my YouTube channel, a channel that we are showing you solution of printer errors and repair, especially CANON printer, Epson printer, and many more. Also in this channel, we are teaching skills and tips of computer printing, topics related to tech, and some tips about YouTube channel to the beginners. Please subscribe my channel and like this video and share it. Let's go together and reset the printer. Hold the power button, press stop button 1, 2, 3, and then release the power button. If the power light stop blinking, then you can press it 1, stop button 2, 3, then power off. Now the printer is resetting the waste part. After the printer finish the blinking, it will take the paper and print out the result. This is D equals to 00.0. That is it means that all the waste part is cleared. So now we already done with the waste part. We already cleared the waste part. We reset the printer.